fall of 2017. The cars start from a block off of the Wildwood sign, and from what my understanding is, they roll the whole boardwalk. So we're going to give you a good shot of the show, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. The VW Rabbit pickup, or a Caddy. Pretty nice little ride.
You do it. Cadillac. Right now. Right. This is a 1948 Caddy. Here it is.
Is that recording? No. I don't know which. How do you know if it's recording?
You do it.
Cadillac.
Right now. Right. This is a 1948 Caddy. Here it is.
Is that recording? No. I don't know which. How do you know if it's recording? Low riders represented at this show as well. Got a badass paint job on it.
Yeah, we did all the build on it. Put the motor on it. That four cylinder. Yeah, my brother bought one. I got the last one.
You have an awesome. Pretty nice GTO. I think it's a Judge.
Parking lots full of cool hot cars like this AC Cobra. The micro minis are definitely represented at this show, and some really badass cars are here.
That's a 2 plus, that's a 1 plus 1. You only get what? I put my new shed in here, I'm fucking leaving.
Lots of clubs are represented here, as these guys behind me.
We parked right over here. We parked.
Pretty cool painted Nova. Take a look.
This brings me back to when I owned one of these, and pretty nice car. I miss mine. Wish I had it back. People call the C3s Batman's car. This guy took it to the extreme.
Even the tuners are allowed here. We just turned it on right now. What year is it? Pretty cool Fiero here, they're pretty rare. Good look, pretty cool.
Oh, there's space up there.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a 1985 two-tone bronze Corvette.
Is it as nice as yours?
Got lower miles than mine.
Is it a 4+? Is it a 4+3?
I don't know. Let's take a look.
Looks like it's a 4+3 to me. Nice car. I think Greg's jealous.
No, I'm not.
Baddest pickup truck on the boardwalk. From the engine to the paint to the whole overall layout of it.
Yellow.
Dinner free. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Buy one dinner, get the second dinner free today. It's our super BOGO special right over here. Chicken, barbecue, perfection. Or try one of our barbecue ribs. Come on over and try some of
If you're not a car guy, but you want to have a cool ride, this Fiero kit car is really cool. If you're not a car guy, but you like good looking cars, this Fiero kit car may fit the bill for your girlfriend to like it.
Wildwood Boardwalk, come and see our amazing saltwater exhibits. And who do you look for? What do you think of dolphins?
Put your arm on the window.
This is a cool little ride. A T-bucket made into a 57 Chevy. Here's a really nice wide body G-nose Z.
You've got the market selection of sunglasses anywhere on the Jersey Shore. It's $5.99 for one pair. You get 2 pairs from the store for $10. We've got kids sunglasses. Aviators, to work on that limits. We've got it all. There's no gimmick, no gags. It's any 2 pairs that you see in this store, $10.
Okay, this is a really nice 49 retro mod car. Beautiful interior, LS2 under the hood.
Okay. All right.
1976 MG. I really like these. Take a look.
When we go back,
I'm eventually going to look back down there with the beer.
Disgrace for a Corvette.
Yeah, I don't like the blacked out wheels though.
Disgrace.
I don't know if it's a disgrace. I just don't
It's a
like
disgrace.
the blacked out wheels.
It's a disgrace.
I think it has to have ZR1 wheels to look cool.
Well, if anything, it shouldn't be blacked out wheels. I'll tell you that much with red outlines.
Nice El Camino.
El Caminos.
El Camino, yeah, but a Royal Knight's a pretty badass truck.
Yeah. 79.
There's a Gremlin way up there. Can't ask more than a Gremlin.
Can you say Wayne's World?
Yeah, I can say Wayne's World, but that was a Pacer.
Well, same thing. It looks the same.
No, it wasn't. Wayne's World was a Pacer. This is a Gremlin.
Just put Pacer Badgers on it.
That's a really wild Gremlin.
Yes. You can see the melted rubber from here.
Yep. Awesome. I can see the rust from here too.
Yeah, so can I.
Okay, we're at the end of the boardwalk. This was like a 4-mile walk of cars. Pretty awesome. But the best cars are saved for last, and as always, it's a Corvette.
This sucks doing this blind. What year is this?
75. That was the show, guys. 4 miles of cars, 4.5, I believe. Tried to get them all for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Like always, like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. And I'm gonna turn the camera around for Greg.
As always, give us a big thumbs up, like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.